it's scooting right along, isn't it? Jeez.
That thing cooks.
Yeah, I'd say you got more RPM now.
Good.
So what's the main difference in the prop? Like an inch diameter?
2 inches.
Okay.
4 inches more pitch.
Oh.
It's just a more efficient style blade. It's not nearly as thick as the other props are.
Okay. This is what's like a 30 is 30 inch?
Yeah, it's 30 by 18.
Oh, by 18. Yikes. Okay. God, that motor's just purring. Sounds happy.
Yeah, it's definitely. And you can just tell how smooth it's running.
Oh, yeah.
It's really smooth. Look at that horsepower, man.
What were you saying? 21 horsepower this thing's doing?
It pulls 40 pounds around like it's
nothing.
Pillowcase. Getting used to flying it with no synapse in it, so
yeah,
it's definitely different. Not bad.
Yeah,
it's just not what I'm used to when I fly this thing. So.
Right, right.
One thing's for sure, it takes a lot less stick movement.
Yeah. Oh, it just goes. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen this plane fly, but man, it just screams. It's just, jeez.
This runs fat right there, so if I need to cool the motor off, I can just bring it down into that throttle position. I mean, when you hit the throttle, it just goes. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Interesting because the top in the Corsair loaded on the ground is the same RPM as this one, but this one really unloads in the air big time.
Yeah. Which is weird because multi-blades generally don't unload a whole lot, but so is it a combination of weight and pitch and everything, do you think? Or
I think it's just blade design.
Yeah, there you go.
The blades on the Corsair is big and fat.
Yep.
Really, really thick.
Yep. This is much more scythe like a saber or something. Yeah, yeah, no doubt, right?
Of course the wind stopped, so.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's real light. We'll do a little pattern work. My fingers warmed up.
Time for remaining 2 minutes.
This thing will fly pretty slow too, honestly. It's just the Corsair does it a little more effortlessly. I mean, you watch the Corsair fly slow and you're like, oh yeah, that thing's got it.
Yeah, yeah.
This one, you can tell it doesn't quite have a handle on it as easily as the Corsair does.
Right, right.
And a lot of that's wing loading related.
Yep.
But also there's a little more flap area on the Corsair as well. So.
Sure, sure.
But I mean, this thing's doing pretty well.
Yeah, not bad.
Not nearly as slow as the Corsair.
It was designed for carrier use, you know, so.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I got plenty of flight time. I can fly this thing for 15 minutes on this tank, but I'm really just kind of waiting for a breeze to come. To be perfectly honest.
Yep.
If I don't like the approach, I can just go around, you know? It has a different noise to it.
It does.
It's kind of like a...
20 seconds.
Like I hear something shaking a little bit.
Yeah, it's weird.
But I don't think it's anything to be worried about.
No.
I think it's just some different harmonics with this prop.
Yep.
10.
Good touchdown.
Yeah.
One thing's cool, I came off the power, I could hear that like whisper from the prop.
Uh-huh.
Slows down a little.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where's the headwind?
It's never there when you want it, and always there when you don't want it. Now that was a beauty.
I kind of fumbled my thumbs a little bit reaching for the flat switch, and I just kind of gave up on reaching for it, so it worked out all right.
Oh man.
My idle set too low.
Yeah. Oh well.
But
It's a brilliant flight, brother.
appreciate it.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thanks, Brent.
Yep.
She's looking good. Looking good. All right. We're with Brent Hecht and with
Send the
the.
kid out to get it.
Yeah. That's what kids are for. Go get the plane. No. Yeah. We're with the return of the F8F Bearcat to the skies. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers. All the best from Just Wing It.